Speaking!
Hey, what's going on, gearheads, and welcome to Gear Out Cafe. I'm here to give you guys that update you guys have been wondering about, because you guys all know that I hit the deer, and if you guys have been following on Instagram and Facebook, that it's been kind of a bit of an ordeal. We did get the Explorer up and going, so that's really exciting. But I wanted to give you a quick update on how the Fusion's doing and what they said exactly what was wrong with it. Alright guys, now here's my 2013 Ford Fusion EcoBoost. As you can see from all the panels taken off, it kind of looks kind of sad, you know. Honestly, with all this just bare, it's really sad, but they have marked everything out. So I should be able to walk through it fairly simply and show you guys what ended up being wrong. So you can see that there's no headlight, that got completely shattered out. No hood, no fender, no front bumper. Okay, but that's a majority of the damage, which I'm kind of excited about, because little stuff like this rad support, that sort of stuff, that could be easily taken off. Rad support's not that big a piece, and I already bought a new one, to be honest. It's already sitting in the back of the Explorer. Fender and hood hinges, things like that could be purchased aftermarket and could be easily fixed. So that's kind of the plan. The plan is to now fix our car and to make it better than what it was before. But as of right now, she's not on the road, which is kind of sad, because I love driving this thing every single day. But honestly, the Explorer has been a treat and a blast to drive, and it's great going off-roading and all that fun stuff. So yeah, so when the deer hit me, it jumped out right in front, and it actually connected with the passenger front. So like I said, we have headlight damage, we got a little bit of rad support. Basically, it's just a little broken piece off there. That causes a whole new replacement. But now you guys can see exactly what it looks like underneath. Simple stuff like a little scrape here or a little broken clip there. That's an easy fix. The big parts is going to be ordering a new hood in, ordering a new fender in. But how it basically happened is I was driving back from Bragg Creek on the way to Cochrane, and deer just jumped out in front of me and couldn't do nothing, couldn't swerve, couldn't stop. So it happened. I just wanted to give you a quick update as to what was going on with the Fusion and what was going on with the Explorer. As of right now, the Explorer is doing great. She's on the road, and the Fusion is not on the road. She will be getting worked on first before she's back on the street again. But that's okay, because COVID kind of set us all back anyways, right? So thank you so much for everybody that's been supporting the channel, that's been buying the decals and buying the shirts. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I know everybody's having a hard time, but I hope that Gear Out Cafe can produce some awesome car content for you guys, that you guys are enjoying it. So give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if that's what you're into, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care, guys.